Happy Wednesday. Boy, do we have a lot to talk about. First, the snowfall of yesterday, which was a little more than expected for areas especially south of the Twin Cities. Most of the metro picked up an inch, but some of the southern suburbs picked up a couple of inches, but 3, 4, 5, even a 6-inch amount south of the Twin Cities around Northfield, Owatonna, some of those spots. Two things at play. One, they did get a little more moisture squeezed out of the system there, more than 1/10 of an inch, but also we had a really high ratio of snow to water. Normally it's about, or we say on average, it's about 10-1, but when it's cold, you get a different type of crystal, dendrites, and it was a 20-1 ratio or more in spots to the south. Can see that snow here on satellite pretty visibly, fresh white north of it, and that has a huge impact on temperatures with clear skies overnight. The place, a little unusual, but the place with the most sub-zero readings was right where we saw the fresh snow, right through the Twin Cities, south central Minnesota into western Wisconsin. In fact, outside of the urban heat island, sub-zero for a lot of places, Lake Elmo, Crystal, some of those spots, Lakeville, sub-zero too. This is a little closer view, so you can see the urban heat island, just that little blob there that's not gray, but the rest of the grayish green area, sub-zero where the fresh snow fell. North of that, where they don't have the fresh snow, it was warmer. So it does have an impact. Now, Winter Storm Watch is posted already for the next system, and you notice the blue counties are all to our south and southeast of the Twin Cities. And that's because that's the most probable area to get that more than 3 inches of snow at this point in time. Now, that system's still out in the Pacific. It's just a blob of clouds out there right now, but that energy is going to gather. It will move across the Pacific coast, across the Rockies, and develop rapidly. Cyclogenesis east of the Rockies as we head into Friday. But a little snow tomorrow, possible some snow showers, quick dusting or so out of that. Not a huge event, but enough to maybe slicking up the roads midday. But then here comes that Friday system. Still a lot of possibilities with this. So these are 4 models showing, again, notice the bright pink areas, the heaviest snow mainly to our southeast. So again, that's why the Winter Storm Watch is posted to the southeast at the moment. Doesn't mean it won't be expanded in the Twin Cities, but I want to break down a little bit of even more geeky science than normal. So we have all our models, which are different tweaks or scenarios. So this is the European models ensembles where we have dozens of different scenarios. You can see all slightly different. Notice the difference. The actual model is much more intense, a little closer to us, but the ensemble, when you average all the different possibilities together, is less snow and a little further to the southeast. So that's why this is not a slam dunk yet and why we have a wide range of possibilities. Literally the range right now is anywhere from 1.5 inches to a little more than 7 inches of snow. This is for the Twin Cities. Now this is more of the southeast with that middle third of scenarios right in the 4 to 6 inch range. But there's a wide range south of that or less than that 4-inch range. So when we break down the probabilities, this is the American model's probability range. And again, where we have that highest probability of more than 3 inches of snow, that's why we have the Winter Storm Watch there. And then we up it to 6 inches or more snow, 50-50 chance that southeastern Minnesota at this point could be in for more than 6 inches of snow. Drops off to about 15% though in the metro. So probably less than a half foot, but still a wide range of possibilities. Snow starts probably midday Friday here in the Twin Cities, southwestern Minnesota earlier in the day. Snow through the afternoon and evening here 6 p.m. And then it does wrap up by probably 3, 4 a.m. Saturday. So you can get up nice and early Saturday morning and plow or snow blow or shovel. It'll be done by sunup on Saturday, which is about 7:39, our latest sunrises of the year. And then, no matter what happens Friday, we are in for a huge shift in the pattern. Big warm up next week. And folks are kind of wondering, well, how would the snow impact? Well, this is a huge change in the air mass where even if we get deep snow, it might delay the heat, but this is going to be a big shift here. In fact, the model's forecasting 25 to 35 degrees above normal temperatures for the middle of next week. And this is a crazy scenario. I'm not sure this is going to happen, but both the American and the European models, so 2 of the 3 longer term models next week, have us in the 60s at least one day. Again, a lot of that's going to be determined by how much snow we get and just how big of a shift of that pattern does it happen. But either way, it does look like we're going to melt a lot or all of any snow that we do get here over the next couple of days next week. And then we're getting very close to Christmas, of course. So still on the cool side today, above freezing tomorrow. Again, some midday snow showers. A coating is possible out of that, but with above freezing temperatures, roads will probably be okay midday. The big question is that Friday into Friday night, and literally it's going to come down to the wire. Every model run is a little bit different. But then again, after that, we calm down. So it looks pretty quiet and dry next week. but also much warmer, at least 40s for part of next week, if not warmer. Hey everyone, meteorologist Sven Sungard here. Please be sure to like this video, also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this with others.